Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to create smooth Twixtor effects and zooms in After Effects. As you can see, these are the final outputs. Open After Effects. Import your clips and audio into After Effects. Drag both the audio and video into the composition and create a new composition based on your preferences. In this video, I'm using 1080 by 1080, but you can choose any composition settings you like. Mark the beats in your audio. These are known as beat marks. Right-click on your audio file, go to Keyframe Assistant, and select Convert Audio to Keyframes. A red audio amplitude section will appear. Press U to reveal the waveforms. Select both sections, then go to the graph editor. You'll see the waveform now. Mark the beats according to your preferences. Add your clips to the timeline, arranged according to your style. Enable frame blending and motion blur for a smoother result. Pre-compose the video layers by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus C. To get smooth Twixtor effects, you'll need the Twixtor plugin. Make sure it's installed. After adding Twixtor or Twixtor Pro to your clip, uncheck the Mark In box in the FPS section and set the frame rate of your video to match the FPS value in the plugin. This will make your clips smoother. Set the frame interpolation to motion-weighted blend and warping to inverse with Smart Blend. Now, keyframe the speed. For example, I used values like 60%, 20%, 60%, but you can adjust these based on your preferences. Select all the keyframes, right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant, and choose Easy Ease. With the keyframe selected, open the graph editor and copy my graph settings. You now have a smooth Twixtor effect. To create smooth zooms, install the Sapphire plugin. Select S-Blur Mode Curves from the Effects and Presets panel. Keyframe the Z distance. You can copy my settings or choose your own. Easy ease the keyframes and open the graph editor to copy my graph. You can copy and paste these settings to all clips after pre-composing them. That's it. You now have smooth zooms with Twixtor. If you want to create a zoom out, simply select the zoom keyframes. Right-click, choose Keyframe Assistant, and select Time Reverse Keyframes. Now you have a smooth zoom out. I hope this video was helpful to you. Comment below which tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.